Look at this guy. He's got a red underneath his neck. Isn't he a different bird? He's pretty big too. Keeping an eye out, grabs a few nibbles. Really bright, bright red. Definitely different looking. With the big belly like that, I wonder if that's one that may have taken some of the yarn that we have put out. I did that with my granddaughter and stuff for the nests, because whenever you put yarn out in the spring and stuff, they take it all. They use it for their nests when they're going to have babies. As big as this little belly is, it wouldn't surprise me if this one's going to have babies. They seem to like the bigger seeds. If you notice, what they're leaving is just the tiny little ones, when the feeder's really mostly of the bigger sunflower seeds. So they're leaving me the crumbs. All the way around they've been leaving the crumbs. Isn't it nice and peaceful to just watch birds eat and to look at them? I mean, they come in different colors and everything. That's the first time I've seen this one, almost like it has a red bib underneath. Very different. So if you know what kind of bird this is, go ahead and leave a comment. I know that all the bird watchers and stuff, they really into the different types of birds. We live here in Maine, so this is, I don't know, it's a different one I haven't seen before. Alright, he's gone. Hope you've enjoyed my bringing this to you. Bye-bye now.